So, you want to be a YouTuber. You have an idea, you have a voice, but you look at all the gear, the cameras, the lights, the tech, and it feels overwhelming, it feels expensive. I'm here to tell you to stop right there. Forget all of that for a minute. This guide is for you. It's for the person with a story to tell. It's for the person with a skill to teach. It's for the person with a desire to create something and put it out into the world. We are going to break it down into the simplest possible steps. No jargon, no gatekeeping. Just a clear, honest path from zero to creating videos you can be proud of. Before you open your wallet, look at what's already in your pocket or on your desk. That smartphone you use every day, that is your first camera, that is your first microphone, that is your first editing suite. The cameras on modern phones are nothing short of miraculous. They can shoot in high-definition 4K. They can handle different lighting conditions, and record in slow motion. For your first 10 videos, 20 videos, or even 50 videos, your phone is more than enough to produce high-quality content. The idea that you need a professional camera from the start is a myth. It's a trap that stops too many people from ever even starting their creative journey. Using your phone first is about more than just saving money. It's a powerful training ground. It forces you to learn the fundamentals of filmmaking without being distracted by complex camera settings and a bag full of lenses. You will learn about composition, how to frame a shot to make it interesting. You will learn about lighting, discovering how moving closer to a window can dramatically improve your image. You will learn about storytelling, figuring out how to edit different clips together to create a compelling narrative. These are the skills that matter. Mastering them on a simple device makes you a much better creator when you eventually do upgrade your gear. The software is already there too. Your phone's app store is filled with powerful and free video editing applications. Apps like CapCut, iMovie for Apple devices, or even the built-in editor in your photo gallery are incredibly capable. You can trim clips, add music, insert text and titles, and even do some basic color correction right on your device. You can shoot a video, edit it, create a thumbnail, and upload it to YouTube all from the palm of your hand. If you only have the budget for one single piece of gear, make it a microphone. This is non-negotiable. Here's a simple truth about YouTube. Viewers will tolerate mediocre video quality, but they will click away instantly if the audio is bad, echoey, muffled, full of background noise. Your message is lost. Bad audio makes your video feel unprofessional and difficult to watch. Conversely, clean, crisp audio makes your content feel premium even if it's shot on a smartphone. It builds a direct, intimate connection with your audience, making your voice clear and easy to understand. Your first real investment should be in sound. There are a few main types of microphones to consider for starting out. The most versatile and popular option for new creators is a lavalier microphone, often called a lav mic. This is the tiny mic that clips directly onto your shirt collar. It's fantastic for talking head videos, interviews, any situation where you are the primary speaker because it's so close to your mouth. It isolates your voice, dramatically reduces room echo, dramatically reduces background noise. They are affordable, small, and make a world of difference. Another great option is a small shotgun microphone. Mounts on top of your camera or on top of your phone with a special adapter and captures sound primarily from the direction it's pointed. Useful if you don't want a microphone visible in the shot, or if you need to record sound from something a little farther away. They are great for vlogging and run-and-gun style shooting. They reject noise from the sides and from the rear, helping your audio stay focused on your subject. Make sure whatever mic you choose is compatible with your device. Headphone jack, USB-C, Lightning port. Finally, if your content will be mostly voiceovers, tutorials, gaming videos, animations, then a USB microphone is your best friend. These are larger mics that plug directly into your computer and sit on your desk. They offer broadcast quality sound for a relatively low price and are incredibly easy to set up. You just plug it in, select it as your audio source in your recording software, and you're good to go. Investing in good audio is the single most effective way to level up your production value right from the start. A good mic with a smartphone will always beat an expensive camera with a bad internal microphone. Now that your audio is crystal clear, let's tackle the next thing that screams amateur, shaky video. Nothing is more distracting than a handheld shot that wobbles and jitters, especially for static talking head style content. The solution is simple and affordable. A tripod. A tripod does one job, and it does it perfectly. It holds your camera or phone completely still, giving you a stable, professional-looking shot every single time. This small investment instantly eliminates the shakiness that can make viewers feel dizzy. and signals to them that you are taking your content creation seriously. Beyond stability, a tripod gives you control and consistency. It lets you precisely frame your shot and keep it the same between takes. Set your phone or camera at the perfect height, ideally with the lens at eye level. This means you can step away, check your notes, grab a sip of water, and return to the exact same framing. That's crucial for creating a clean, seamless edit later. Tripods come in all shapes and sizes. You don't need a heavy-duty professional one to start. For a phone, a simple, lightweight tripod will do. Many come with a phone mount included. There are small, flexible, gorilla-style tripods that can wrap around poles or sit on a desk, and taller, traditional tripods that stand on the floor. Think about where you'll film most. If you're always at your desk, a small tabletop tripod might be enough. If you film standing or in different rooms, a taller adjustable floor tripod is more versatile. A tripod frees you up to be the creator. With your camera mounted, you don't have to hold it. Your hands are free to gesture, to demonstrate something, or to hold props. It's like having a dedicated camera operator who never complains. You have great audio and a steady shot. Now let's make you look your best. Improve your lighting. Biggest step up in production quality. Camera sensors, especially phones, love light. More light, one cleaner, sharper, more vibrant image. Poor lighting, mons, grainy, noisy, flat-looking footage. You don't need a three-point Hollywood setup. Start with the best free light, the sun. Your first tool, natural light from a window. Face a large window for talking head videos. Soft, diffused window light will illuminate your face evenly. Create a pleasant catchlight in your eyes, separate you from the background. Window must be in front, not behind. Backlit bright window turns you into a silhouette. Turn your desk around, move your chair, face the window. This change costs nothing and greatly improves quality. If natural light isn't available, get an artificial light. The most popular option, ring light. Ring light draws from soft, direct light that wraps your face and minimizes shadows. Put your camera in the center of the ring for flattering close-ups. Ring lights are relatively inexpensive, easy to set up, often include a built-in stand and a phone holder. Later consider a softbox and an LED panel. Softbox, Nandra large diffusion fabric for even softer light. LED panel, Nandra flat panel of LEDs, dimmable with color temp control. For now, one good light is enough. Place it in front of you and slightly to one side. About 45 degrees. That key light setup adds dimension to your face and makes your video look polished and professional. You've mastered your phone, your audio is perfect, your shots are stable, your lighting is on point, you've been creating consistently, you've found your audience. Now you're ready to reinvest in your craft. This is where it makes sense to consider your first dedicated camera. A real camera gives more creative control and higher image quality. Larger sensors perform better in low light. They create pleasing bokeh, a blurry background. They let you use different lenses for different shots. When shopping, don't chase the most expensive model. Look for features useful to a solo YouTube creator. First, a flip-out, fully articulating screen. A screen that flips so you can see yourself while filming. Game changer for framing, without running back and forth. It ensures you are in focus, properly framed, and that your cat hasn't wandered into the shot. Second, check autofocus capabilities. As a solo creator, you won't have someone pulling focus. You need reliable, fast autofocus, preferably with face and eye detection. That lets the camera find your face and keep it sharp as you move. Poor autofocus means unusable, soft footage. Read reviews and watch autofocus test videos. Finally, ensure a microphone input jack. The small 3.5mm port for your external mic. External mics give superior audio to internal mics. Nice-to-haves, 4K recording. Good battery life. Most creators start with an entry-level mirrorless camera. Sony, Canon, Panasonic. These cameras balance image quality, features, and price. They give a platform to grow by adding new lenses over time. Once you have your core setup, a camera, a mic, a tripod, a light, it's time to think about the small accessories that make the act of creation smoother and more reliable. These items aren't glamorous, but they are the unsung heroes of any creator's kit. They are the things that prevent you from losing a great take or having to stop a shoot midway through. The first and most crucial accessories to buy alongside your new camera are extra batteries and a fast high-capacity SD card. Cameras, especially when shooting 4K video, consume power at an alarming rate. Nothing is worse than your camera dying in the middle of a brilliant idea. Always have at least 1 or 2 fully charged spare batteries ready to go. You can buy official batteries from the camera manufacturer, or often find more affordable third-party options that work just as well. Alongside batteries, your memory card is your lifeline. Don't cheap out on it. You need an SD card that is both large enough to hold your video files and fast enough to write them without errors. Look for a card labeled V30 or higher, which indicates it's rated for 4K video recording. A card with at least 128 gigabytes of storage is a good starting point. Having a second card as a backup is also a very wise idea. Next, think about protection and maintenance for your gear. A simple padded camera bag is an essential purchase to protect your investment when you're storing it or traveling with it. Even if you only film at home, a bag keeps dust off your equipment and all your accessories organized in one place. Also, pick up a basic lens cleaning kit, a microfiber cloth, a lens cleaning solution, and an air blower. A single fingerprint or smudge on your lens can make your entire shot look soft and hazy. Keeping your lens pristine is a simple habit that ensures you're getting the sharpest image your camera is capable of producing. Finally, consider small mounts and stands. A simple light stand, a small clamper mount, like a magic arm, and a dedicated phone mount for your tripod. These small, inexpensive items expand your creative possibilities and solve the little logistical problems that pop up during filming. They are the support crew that makes your main gear shine. Filming is only half the battle. The other half happens in the edit. This is where you assemble your raw clips, cut out the mistakes, add music, add graphics, and shape your footage into a coherent and engaging story. Your choice of editing software, also known as a non-linear editor, is a crucial part of your workflow. Just like with cameras, you don't need the most expensive professional-grade software to start. In fact, you can create incredible videos using software that is completely free. The most important thing is to pick one and start learning its basic functions. For creators on a budget, there are some outstanding free options available for desktop computers. DaVinci Resolve is arguably the most powerful free video editor on the market. It offers a full suite of professional tools, color grading, audio mixing, visual effects. It has a steeper learning curve than some others, but the skills you learn are transferable across the industry. For Mac users, iMovie comes pre-installed and is a fantastic, user-friendly editor for beginners. It's intuitive and has all the essential tools you need to cut together a great video quickly and easily. When you feel like you've outgrown the limitations of free software or need more advanced features, you can consider upgrading to a paid NLE. The two industry standards are Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Premiere Pro is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, with After Effects and Photoshop, and it's available for both Mac and Windows. Final Cut Pro is a one-time purchase available exclusively for Mac. It's famous for its speed, efficiency, and magnetic timeline. Regardless of which software you choose, focus on mastering the basics first. Learn how to use the blade tool to cut your clips, figure out how to add simple transitions like a cross dissolve. Learn how to adjust the volume of your audio tracks and add background music. As you get more comfortable, explore color correction and audio mixing to make your sound rich and clear. Your editing software is your digital workshop. The more time you spend in it, the better your final product will be. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's distill it into a clear, actionable plan. This is the order to build your YouTube starter kit. Follow this sequence to get the biggest impact first. It stops you from buying a camera you can't use. It focuses your budget on foundational elements. First, start with what you already have. Use your smartphone. Use free editing apps. Do not spend a single dollar yet. Make 5 or 10 videos first. Learn the process and find your voice. Your first purchase, an external microphone. Audio is king. Lavalier mic, shotgun mic. Second purchase, a tripod. Get a tripod with a phone mount. Third purchase, one light, ring light, LED panel. Only after phone, mic, tripod, and light, consider a dedicated camera. When you buy a camera, buy extra batteries. Buy a fast SD card. Later, upgrade to paid editing software. This progression builds a powerful kit without breaking the bank. Phase 1. Smartphone. Window for natural light. Free editing app. CapCut or iMovie. Phase 2. External microphone. Lavalier or shotgun. Tripod with phone mount. 1 key light, ring or LED. Phase 3. Dedicated camera with flip screen and mic input. Extra batteries, fast SD cards, paid editing software. Start simple. Practice. Create. The gear doesn't make the creator. You do. Now go make something.